Assembling the MOLLE panel for your IBEX. This video demonstrates the installation of the full-size MOLLE panel. Installation of the mid-MOLLE panel is the same process. Lay out the provided parts. Slide 3 T-nuts into the top T-channel on the desired side of the IBEX, one near the cab, in the middle, and in the rear. Slide 3 more T-nuts into the second to lowest T-channel of the IBEX. Match those 3 positions. Place the MOLLE panel into position from inside the truck bed. Pro tip: align the T-nuts with bolt holes using the 6mm hex key. Using the 6mm hex key, attach the MOLLE panel with 6 M8 bolts. Tighten all bolts. And don't forget, this accessory, like all our products, is covered by our No Worries Limited Warranty. We've got your rack and your back.